is there a way that we can improve upon what we provide by questioning, by really wondering how effective is that, and using what available evidence we have to kind of update the paradigm, if that makes sense. And right now, the paradigm includes pain science. There's just no way around it. So we didn't have a big pain science discussion, because I'm not a pain scientist, but I think I've given you enough to go on, that the postural structural biomechanical model that has been the predictor of pain and dysfunction for a very long time is not being supported. And so it's something else, and that starts with us in helping our students be confident and feeling good and providing them modifications and using yoga, which is what we're doing today, using yoga to learn about the human body. The poses are silly. The shapes mean nothing. Teach it however you want, stand in front of the room, call out the poses, don't do anything, doesn't matter. You don't have to do all the little details that we're doing. But if you can see the poses, you can learn about human movement, and then when a student does come to you after class, which they inevitably do, and say, this hurts when I do this, or I want to do this right, you can see them in a different way. When I teach group classes, over the years it's evolved so much, but I rarely get in people's way. But I'm looking. I'm look at that foot. That foot turns a different way than I've ever actually cued. That's really interesting, And then I watch them do it again, and I'm learning about human anatomy and human movement and force transmission and biomechanics by observing yoga, not by trying to make a person fit into a pose that is totally arbitrary. Even our alignment rules are totally arbitrary. Hands underneath the shoulders. Okay, great. And then also another way, and then also another way, and also another way, So yeah, that's where this gets exciting for me. It's we can use yoga to learn, really and understand human anatomy